after the heavy loads and frequency spring flights, the models may possibly be displaced and affecting safety. Regular inspections and calibrations are necessary. First, check if the drone is horizontal by placing the level on the flight control mounting plate. Ensure the bubble in the level is centered along both the X and Y axis. If it's not centered, adjust the drone until the bubble is in the middle. Then, check if each model is horizontal by placing the level on each of the 4 models, perpendicular to the arms. Ensure the bubble in the middle. If not, loosen the screws to adjust the model until the bubble is centered, and then tighten the screws. Take off the drone and check the throttle values of the 4 models while hovering. If the deviation is less than 10%, then it can be used normally. If the deviation is over 10%, recalibrate according to the above steps. If this still cannot be leveled, please replace the frame and recheck. Must ensure all models and the level before flight work. Following us to get more practical tutorials and updates.